My name is Stephanie. I am 35 years old. I am a mother of 2 wonderful children. My daughter's name is Phoebe. She is 11 years old. My son's name is Jeremy. He is 7 years old. They are my whole world. I love them more than anything. Life has not been easy for me. My mother passed away when I was young. After a few years, my father died too. My husband left me when our son was only 2 years old. We were together for 12 years. He said he didn't love me anymore. He walked away and never came back. He never called. He never sent money. He forgot about us. Since then, I have been alone, raising my 2 children. I have no family to help me. I have no big house. I have no extra money. I live in a small apartment in Vista Creek. Every month, I pay rent. Every month, I worry. I do not have a good job. I do not have a college degree. I do not have many choices, but I am strong. I never give up. I work as a nurse, but I am not a hospital nurse. People call me when someone is sick or old, and I go to their home to take care of them. I help with medicine, food, and everything they need. I also work as a cleaning lady. I do not have a company or agency. Every month I look for homes and offices that need cleaning. I carry my own supplies. Then I work all day and often late into the night. I scrub floors, clean bathrooms, and take out trash. Some people are kind. Some people are rude. Some people don't pay the full amount, but I do not stop. I clean because I need money. I need to buy food. I need to buy clothes for my children. I need to pay rent. I work when I am tired. I work when I am sick. I work when I want to cry. Sometimes I look at my children while they sleep. They are so peaceful. They are so beautiful. I touch their small hands. I kiss their foreheads. I whisper, "I love you." I want to give them a good life. I want them to be happy. I want them to have everything I never had. But life is hard. One evening, I was walking home with my children after working late as a nurse. The weather was terrible. The sky was dark. The rain was heavy. Phoebe and Jeremy held my hand tightly. "Mama, I'm cold," Jeremy said. "I know, sweetheart," I said. "We'll be home soon." I pulled him closer and wrapped my scarf around him. The street was quiet. I held my son's hand tightly. My hands were shaking. I was nervous. Then suddenly, a bright light, a loud crash. Everything went black. When I opened my eyes, I saw a blue ceiling. I heard beeping sounds. I smelled medicine. I was in the hospital. I tried to sit up, but my body hurt. My head was heavy. My arms were weak. Then I remembered the accident. My children, where were they? I tried to speak. "Phoebe, Jeremy." My voice was dry. My throat hurt. A nurse came to me. She looked kind. "Don't move too much," she said. "You were in a bad accident." "My children," I whispered. "Where's my son and my daughter?" "They are here," she said. They are safe. Tears filled my eyes. I want to see them, I said. A few minutes later, the door opened. 2 small figures ran into the room. "Mama," they cried. They hugged me. They kissed my face. I began crying. The doctor came into the room. He looked serious. He had bad news. "You have a broken leg," he said. "You need surgery. You need to rest." I felt panic. But I have to work. I have to pay rent. I have to feed my children. The doctor looked sad. "You need to rest," he said again. Then I remembered something worse. The cleaning supplies I borrowed from a friend were destroyed in the accident, and the worst part, I had accidentally broken the front of a luxury store when I fell. The owner wanted $25,000. I had nothing. I was broken. I covered my face with my hands and cried. My kids cried too. I was lost. I had no hope. The next day, my story was shared all over the internet. People read about me. People saw pictures of my children. They saw how much pain I was in. Many kind people sent money. They wanted to help me. Then one day I got a phone call. A deep voice spoke. "I heard your story," he said. "I want to help you." I was afraid. "Who are you?" I asked. "You will see soon," he said. 2 days later, a group of people came to the hospital. They brought flowers. They brought warm clothes for my children. Then a young man walked in. He looked at me and smiled. He sat next to me. "You don't know me," he said, "but I know you." I was confused. "Why do you want to help me?" I asked him. He smiled and said, "Because I can." I began crying. I don't know what to say. He touched my hand and said, "You don't have to say anything." The young man and his team paid for my hospital bills. I didn't have to worry anymore. But that was not all. A few days later, they took me and my children to a new place. It was a house, a big, beautiful house. "This is for you," they said. I couldn't speak. I couldn't breathe. "For me?" I whispered. "Yes," they said. "You don't have to pay rent anymore. This is your home." I fell to my knees. I cried and cried. My children cried too. They hugged me. "Is this real?" I asked. "Yes," they said. "This is real." I held my children and whispered, "We have a home." One day, the young man asked me, "What is your biggest dream?" I wiped my tears. "I want to open a salon," I said. A few months later, I opened my own salon. I was no longer a struggling nurse. I was no longer a poor mother. I was a businesswoman. I was strong. I was happy. I will never forget that young man. He changed my life. He taught me something important. There are kind people in this world too. People who want to help. I started with nothing. Now I have everything. A home, a job, and most importantly, a happy family. Remember, no matter how hard life gets, kindness and hope can change everything. Never lose faith in a better tomorrow. If you liked this story, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.